While we celebrate Human Rights Day, we also commemorate and solemnly remember the Sharpeville massacre, which led the United Nations to declare the 21st of March as the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. We pay homage to all of our heroes and heroines, both sung and unsung, who perished in the pursuit of democracy and dignity for all of our people. In tribute to those who paid the ultimate price, as well as their families who carry the pain of losing their loved ones.
This area called Kliptown is what symbolizes unity in diversity, the aspirations of a non-racial society, as well as a sense of hope for those who trade in this precinct and for those who live within this particular precinct, that indeed South Africa belongs to all those who live in it.
Today, we honor those killed in Sharpeville and all those killed before them, before and after them, across our country, including here in Soweto, in pursuit of fundamental human rights.
The connection between this day and the massacre of innocent, peaceful, and unarmed people will never and must never be lost. That march against the carrying of passes was part of the broader struggle for liberation, for freedom, for land, for justice and human rights. This day, therefore, affords us as South Africans an opportunity to reflect on our painful past, to commemorate those who lost life and limb, to bring our country to where it is today. It is also an opportunity for us to boldly declare, never again.
Political parties, church leaders, trade union leaders, all of us in leading positions have an outstanding duty. We've got to educate the people of our country that this National Day has not been set aside for any other purpose than principally to reflect on this big challenge facing our nation. That at least at the beginning of this day, of such a day as this, citizens everywhere must prioritize the possibility of appearing at gatherings of this nature, just to reflect on it and therefore to inspire themselves to carry this job into the future.
This year we are celebrating 100 years of a selfless struggle against colonialism and apartheid oppression by the people of South Africa, Africa, and the world.
March 21st has been recognized and celebrated as Human Rights Day in South Africa. UNESCO has also proclaimed this day as the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. As we gather here today in Soweto, we are joined by millions of people around the world to celebrate this very important day. And as a representative of the international community, I'm bringing to you a message of peace, solidarity, and friendship from all citizens of the world.
On Human Rights Day, today, we urge our people to familiarize themselves more with this supreme law of the land and appreciate its liberating features. To all South Africans who suffered gross human rights violations during the colonial oppression and the apartheid period, declared that, and I quote, "South Africa belongs to all who live in it, black and white, and that no government can justly claim authority unless it is based on the will of all the people," unquote. That revolutionary message proclaimed democracy. When we speak of human rights, we include the rights of all, including persons with disabilities. Kosi katekisa Afrika. Thank you.